Welcome to my channel. If you are not new, welcome back. I am Ashley Michelle and I'm back at it again with another video. It's a real quick, real fast makeup look that is college approved, high school approved. Anytime, you press for time but you still want to look snatched, this is that. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And without further ado, let's get on into this video. So you just want to start off by moisturizing your face. I'm using this I'm using this Clinique Moisture Surge Moisturizer and this Maybelline Illuminating Primer. I know my primer looks beat up. It's like the only one that I really have because most of the time I don't prime with stuff like this. So now we get into foundation. I'm using my Maybelline, Dewy and Smooth formula, the Fit Me foundation. I love it so much. Literally my favorite foundation ever. And I'm using a Real Techniques complexion sponge, I think that's what it's called. And I'm just blending it into my skin. So now for concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I always say, like every time I do a makeup video, I say I'm gonna try a different concealer, but I don't know. I'm just really scared to like try different products because first of all, my skin is so sensitive, and second, I'm kind of picky. Like I don't like a whole bunch of stuff. So like I'm trying to figure out what kind of concealer I would like to use next, but I don't know. Like this is just really my die-hard. Like this is really just like I want to be buried with this concealer, so it's like hard for me to switch up. So now I'm just taking the slightest bit of Airspun loose powder and I'm just setting my concealer. I don't bake no more because I don't know what it is. I don't know if it was the powder I was using or just my technique, but I feel like every time I bake, it leads to flashback and just like a real ashy looking Ashley. So we stopped, okay? But we been did that. We did it a while ago. So now I'm just bronzing up my face. I was gonna contour, but then I'm thinking like, you want to fly, you want to go, like, your contouring takes way more time than bronzing. Bronzing is less precise. So I was like, if this is going to be quick, we're going to bronze. I don't know why I was holding my mouth like that, but I look real old. Whatever. But now we're just going to do some sucky mascara. It was all on my eyelids. Like, I need to do better. Mascara, so that is mainly a part of the reason why I always pop on some falsies. Plus, as you can see, I'm bald on the eyes, so if you want to keep it natural like this, no lashes, you can do that, and it'll save even more time. But for the sake of looking my best, my tip-top best, I'm gonna wear some falsies. If you're good, if you're like novice at putting on lashes, then it shouldn't take you that long. But if you are new to putting on lashes, you don't know how to put on lashes, you don't know the first thing about it, baby, I would not do it. I mean, because this is supposed to be a quick look. It's supposed to be a quick look, and we're at 10 minutes, and basically the whole face is done. So a quick look for me, yeah, I could pop on some falsies real quick. But like, a quick look for somebody else, it wouldn't be so quick if you don't know how to put on lashes. That's what I'm saying. So quickly, I'm just gonna add some more dimension into my nose and a little bit of dimension to under my lip, I guess, just to add, just to add some more color, some more dimension, make me look 3D. And if you do want to, hold on. Hey, Mom. I'm recording. What she said?
She said never done no lash job.
I don't know.
You
So
get paid today.
This is a real quick tip. If you do know.
You get Ashley a.
But yeah, like I was saying, this is a quick tip. A quick tip for like well, honestly, I feel like this is good for if you don't know how to put on lashes too. But if it don't work for you, it don't work for you. But if you do know how to already put on lashes, then excuse me, just take the glue. Well, this is based on if you get a glue, like some lash glue that already has the brush, then you already know. But if you don't, Rato comb it right on your your lash line, pop that thing right on. I use hair glue because it dry like that. So quick lash, baby. Now you can leave it like this if you want to, or you can add some blush and some highlighter. I'm only gonna add blush. I've been trying to veer away from the highlighter lately, but yeah. So the next scene that you'll see, I will be done, baby. And without editing, this is only at 16 minutes. So I would say very quick.